Stephen Skippen from Shoeshine UK, and we're based at the London Hilton on Park Lane. We're in collaboration with the Rake at rake.com. We can treat your shoes that you purchase from the Rake and make them look amazing. My love for my profession began many years ago in 2001 when I did my first shoe polish. I realised there's so much more that can be done rather than just a quick brush. I've turned it into, I feel, an art form which can let your shoes last for many, many years longer than what they would otherwise. I have a passion for my profession. I've learned how to colour shoes as well as polishing shoes and feel that we can fix any problem that your shoe has. We use so many different products from Sapphire, which is the best range you can use. Our service would consist of, could be up to 15 layers of different products, creams, polishes, whatever that particular pair of shoes needs to bring it to life. Whether you have black calf leather, dark oak brown, burgundy or Cordovan leather, we have worked on them for many years and can treat them all in a perfect fashion. We are going to offer two services in collaboration with the Rake. The first one being a cap and heel shine, where the cap and the heel are highlighted to a military standard. We are then going to offer a military shine, which is an all-over shine, as we would do on the previous service on the cap and the heel. We do it all over the shoe.